He's going to slip the jab, whoop, and he comes back with a cross. One, slip, whoop. Make sure you don't stand straight in front of him. One. Hi, my name is Marco. I'm the head kickboxing coach here at CSA in Holland. And today I'm going to show you 3 different versions of slipping punches together with my fighter Victor. First, he's going to start with a jab. Yeah. I'm going to throw a jab. He's going to slip the jab, whoop, and he comes back with a cross. That's the easy version. Again, so he's going to throw a jab. He knows when he throws a couple of jabs, I'm going to try to hit him back. So I'm going to come back with a jab. He's going to slip it, cross. Most important thing, keep the left hand up as soon as you slip the jab. So again, 1, slip, cross, boom. Bam, bam. He's going to throw a jab. I'm going to throw a jab. He's going to slip it, keeps the left hand up, steps in, and throws the cross. One more. Jab. I'm going to throw a jab. Keep the hand up, step in, and throw the cross. Again. 1, slip, cross. Now a little faster. Elbow. Elbows on here. One more. Second one. He's going to feint. As soon as he feints, I'm going to throw a left hook. As soon as I throw the left hook, he ducks, and at the same time, he's going to throw a jab cross. So he feints, I'm going to throw the hook, he throws the jab cross, and he steps out. Boom. So it's not me that's going to throw the hook. He waits and then throws the jab cross. It's at the same time. You have to throw it at the same time. One more. He's going to feint, I'm going to throw it, he's going to punch the jab cross. Boom. Again. What? He's going to feint. I'm going to throw a hook, and at exactly the same time he steps in for a jab cross. Feint. I'm going to throw the hook, throws a jab cross. Again. Feints. I'm going to throw the hook, and he throws a jab cross at the same time. One more. One. At the same time he steps to the outside. Make sure you don't stand straight in front of him. One. A little faster. More. The third one, he's going to start a jab. Start with a jab. I'm going to throw a jab. He's going to slip the first one. Boom, to the outside. So again, 1, you're going to slip. Boom. The second time I'm going to throw a jab, he's going to go under, and at the same time throwing a cross. So it's 1, slip the first one. The second one, he goes under, and he throws the cross at the same time. Reason, I'm open here if I'm sloppy with my punch, so it's going to hit me here in the chin, on the chin. So, 1, 2, he's going to duck under, and he's going to throw the cross. 1, slip, whoop, and again. So jab, slip, whoop, again. Now a little faster. Again. He's going to throw a jab. I'm going to throw a jab. He's going to slip the first one. Make sure you keep the hand up. Yeah? So 1, slip the first one. The second one, he's going to duck under, and he's going to throw a cross at the same time. So he's going under and throws a cross at the same time. Again. 1, slip, and the second one, go under and throw the cross. Again, 1, slip, whoop, and he throws a cross. Faster. Again. We're in Holland, Dutch kickboxing, so we're going to add some kicks, not only punches. Same combinations with kicks. So the first one, he's going to throw a jab, slip, cross, kick to the body. Important, make sure you step out as soon as you throw that kick. Don't stay straight in front of your opponent. Because if he throws a kick and he's going to stand straight in front of me, I'm going to hit him with a cross or whatever. Make sure you step out. So, jab, slip, cross, step out, and kick. Again, jab, slip, cross, kick. Faster. Again. Jab. He's going to slip the jab. Make sure you keep the left hand up. Cross, step out, kick. Again. 1, slip, cross, kick. 1, up, in. Okay, a little faster. 1, up, again. Now, he's going to feint. I'm going to throw a left hook. At the same time, he's going to throw a jab cross. He's going to follow up with an extra cross, step, and kick to the body. Yeah? So again, he's going to feint. I'm going to throw the hook. He's going to step under, throw the jab cross, follow up with the cross, kick to the body. Make sure you step out. Put all your weight behind that kick. Again, he's going to feint. I'm going to throw the hook, jab cross, cross, kick. Yeah? Again, he feints. I'm going to throw the hook, jab cross, cross, and kick. A little faster. He's going to feint. I'm going to throw the hook. He's going to throw the jab cross at the same time. Cross, kick. Make sure you step out to the side. 2 things. You put some extra weight behind the kick, and you're going to make sure that I don't get hit by the punches from your opponent. So, feint, hook, jab cross, cross, kick. He feints, hook, jab cross, cross, kick. One more. 1, boom, up, up. Good. A little faster. Good. He's going to throw a jab. I'm coming back with a jab. Slip the first one, go under the second one, throws a cross, follows up with the hook and a right leg kick. Again, jab, slip the first one, go under the second one. Now he's going to throw a hook. After the hook he has 2 options. Or he's going to step to the right and throws the kick more on the back of the leg. Or he's going to step to his left and throws the kick more in the front of the leg. The second one is a lot harder than the first one, but the first one is more safe. So now he's going to step to his right and throws the kick more on the back of his leg and puts his foot back. With the second one, he's going to step to the right and throws the kick on the front of the leg. So jab, slips the first one, go under the second one, throws across, hook, and kick. Good. Again, jab, slip the first one, go under the second one, hook, tap, boom. Now the andere kant. Jab, slip, go under, cross, hook, kick. Nou een beetje sneller. Good. Andere kant op. So, he's going to throw a jab. I'm going to throw a jab. He slips the first one. Go under the second one. Cross. Hook. Leg kick. Okay. Again. Jab. Slip the first one. Go under the second one. Cross. Hook. Leg kick. You know, with the hook, he makes the decision to step to the right or to the left to throw the kick. The first one, if he steps to his right, he's going to throw the kick more on the back of the leg. Yeah? It's not going to hurt much, but he's safe for him. If he steps to his left, he's going to throw the kick more on the front of the leg. That one's going to hurt. So it's up to you which one you want to do. Try to mix them up because then you're unpredictable. So, jab, slip, go under, hook, kick. Again, jab, slip, slip, whoop, boom. Good, again. 1, slip, go on the cross, hook, kick. 1, slip, go on the cross, hook, kick. Iets sneller. 1, Thanks for watching. If you want any more information about the gym, check out our website, csaholland.com. We're also on the socials, CSA_Holland on Instagram. Also, thank you for our sponsor, Booster Fight Gear. See you next time.